We Brits, we do love to shoot ourselves clearly in the foot. What stands testament to that is the fact that the United Kingdom has suffered a loss of business investment. Since the 2016 Brexit referendum, I remember it well. I just want my Brexit. Well, that loss equates to £29 billion. Well, that's £1,000 a household. How does that make you feel? Was according to a study by a senior Bank of England official.
Welcome to the Brexit, sir. I'm sorry.
Yeah,
oh my God.
That's what it feels like. Well, while you're here, please boop the old like button. Well, Jonathan Haskel, an external member of the bank's 9-strong monetary policy committee that sets UK interest rates, said private sector investment has stopped in its tracks in the years following the decision to quit the European Union. Well, he said that in the aftermath of the vote, the UK immediately began to fall behind the trend of the previous 6 years. Immediately. And suffered much more when compared with other major industrialised economies, opening up a productivity gap that has left a permanent scars, and that gap, well, it's been filled by EU industry in the EU. You don't seem to export anymore. No. The study by Haskel and his team is likely to fuel concerns that the Brexit vote and the strategy adopted by Alexander Boris Johnson, the former Prime Minister, to leave the European Union single market and custom union with his...
You've got an oven-ready deal, put it in the microwave.
Well, it's done irreparable harm to the UK economy. Now, if you do your maths, you'll find that the current productivity penalty is around 1.3% of gross domestic product, equating to that £29 billion. But it gets worse, it does. Yeah. Bad enough that it's going to cost every household that £1,000 as it stands. But because of our current trajectory, by the end of the forecast period, the penalty is likely to be something more like 2.8%. That's more than double. It's going to cost you at least £1,000, £2,000 per household. Where does it end?